In this lesson, we will prove that your memory is stronger than you think. This is for anyone over 60 who feels stuck. We will start with 3 memory anchors. Then, we'll use them in a sentence. Finally, we'll see if you can recall them 60 seconds from now. Let's take the word for to eat. Comber. Think of a comber, someone combing their hair while they eat. Comber is to eat. Now, the word for to sleep, dormir. Think of a dormitory. You go there to dormir. Finally, to drink Beber. Think of a beverage. You Beber a beverage. Me gusta comer paella. Quiero beber agua. Necesito dormir ahora. Without looking back. Number 1. Which word sounds like beverage? Number 2. Which word sounds like dormitory? Number 3. Which word involves a comb? Traditional apps are built for teenagers. Our Learning Spanish, the Easy Way program is built for mature brains who value logic and memory hooks. It's slow, it's clear, and it's designed for your lifestyle. Join our senior community at the link below.